Yeah, I would never recommend drilling a hole in your roof or cutting a hole in it. But when you need ventilation, you got to do what you got to do. So here we go. Okay, just finished step 2. Now this is the part where I need a hand. Oh, I forgot I'm the only one here. Darn. Alright, well, let's get cutting. So after cutting the hole, make sure that this part fits. And then file the edges and prime the edges. Just let the lap sealant dry. Install the fan. Tighten it down. And hook her up. See if she'll turn over. Okay, so there you have it. One maxxair fan installed. I just got to hook up the wiring. Already tested it, so I know it works. Pretty cool, huh? We'll see you next time.